I get hundreds of messages asking where can I get the flare tool or where can I get the library at. So let me point you in the right direction. Once you get to the site in the search bar, type arcade, then hit enter. Once on the page, scroll down, and you will see a variety of arcade apps including the flare tool. Download whatever it is you're looking for. Arcade is an amazing program that I use all the time. The only cons with using Arcade is that for some reason the flare tool duplicates the libraries, and the library itself takes up a lot of space on your hard drive. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Also hit that like button to put us in the YouTube algorithm. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel and help us grow so we can bring you more amazing how-to video content.
You believe in Jesus? Well, you're going to meet him.